At present, many analytical laboratories soil are going to test using micro-ovens or some sort of chemicals. So this method is one of the long process. They need to take 15 to 20 days approximately. The main objective of our project is to develop the testing system to grow and proper crops. This is the one of the real-time embedded system. It will give the output within a minute, and also it will print the result using thermal printer, and also data is updated in ThinkSpeak server using registered channel. This is the connection setup of our project. And soil moisturizer sensor, it is one of the digital sensor. It is measure the quantity of the water content which is present in the soil. Arduino UNO R3, it is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 323P. Regulator power supply, we are using LM7805 voltage regulator IC. It has 3 pin in input, output and ground terminal. MQ2 gas sensor, it is also an analog sensor. It has been AD, that makes digital gas sensor. It will detect and gas is suitable for detecting the LPG, propane, methane and alcohol. pH sensor, it is one of the analog sensor. pH means pH potential hydrogen. It is used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of the solution. GSM will initialize, then all the data will update to the GSM from the various sensors that which you have used in the project. After all the process, it will show the status called process is done. Then it will give to the output values of all the sensor. pH value is 3, which is pH level is high, and moisture level is 1. Here we assign that 1 for wet and 0 for dry. Then next, soil color is 0. Here we also assign the 3 colors called 0 for black and red for 1 and brown for 2. And gas order is low because there is no gas is present in the soil. Once all the soil parameters is measured, printer will start to print the data. Thermal printer is used to print the data. It will collect all the data from all the sensor and it will be sent to IoT. We are getting the result in graphical manner.